My name is Muhammad Samial Adil. I am 9 years. I am 9 years old. I read in class 4. My school name is Novelty School and College. I come from Boishal. I live in Dhaka at South Bonusri. There are three people. In my family. My mother, my father, and me. I am all the. My interests are doctor and footballer. My favorite color is blue, and my favorite food is chicken. My favorite food is chicken because it very tasty and healthy. Thank you for all.
আপনার সন্তানকে ইংলিশ শেখাতে আজই যোগাযোগ করুন ইংলিশ মাস্টার, দক্ষিণ বনশ্রী, শাপলা বিল্ডিং সংলগ্ন, লিফটেড 3, ব্লক কে।